What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have the GAIZERL Solar Bird Bath Fountain. This is their 2023 upgrade. It's a 4-watt solar fountain. It's a 4-watt solar power water fountain with 4,000 milliamp battery. Okay, 4,000 milliamp battery. We are going to get into this 7 nozzles and 4 fixtures. They call these the fixtures. Of course, I call them the pegs, and I will show you how to install them and basically show you the whole get around with this unit. We got 2 bullet nozzles here. All right, we got 1, 2, 3 flat heads here, and then we have the attachment for the flat head right here. And then we have 1, 2 more bullet nozzles. All right, we have here the thing that people don't really know too much about, so they put this in here. These are filters, you guys. Usually through the summer, your water will gain algae and it will block your pump, and that filter is here to catch it, and this is nice. I like it. And here, of course, are your basically tips and tricks. All right, so you quickly evacuate air. That's for 1. It says it again, quickly evacuate the air. 2, it says it don't work in shadow, but of course you know it works at night because it's a light one. It has colors on it. And the best weather is the sun. That way you get more charge. It's solar. The worst weather is thunderstorms, and you want to be on normal water level. You do not want to submerge it. It says it right there, normal water level, water inlet block. So this is the algae right here. I will post a link in the description, of course. I believe this is 7 point something inches. Here you go. You got the little LED light. You don't have to use this for your bird bath. You can also use this for your garden or your pool, your ponds, or wherever you have a good amount of water. And to change the filter, you have to take this off, and then you see this filter right here. All you do is change this. All right, that's all you do. Change it, put it back. All right, you guys, now we have the 4 fixtures. Take this out the bag. All right, now to put these on, just put it in like that. Now I'm fitting the whole thing in. You see there's a split here. You don't want to put it in the split like this. All right, you don't put it in like that. You actually put the whole thing in like that. It's usually like little slits that you could put it in. So if you don't see that, you usually could put it in the sleeve like that. This is so when it's like floating in your pool or something, it'll bang from your pool. It don't have to hit the whole side, or you can station it in the center of your bird bath. All right, now once again, the other bird baths have it where you can put it on to the foam, but this one you just have to click it right onto the side. All right, and here we have our booklet, the nice good old booklet. All right, and it tells you basically everything. It shows you how to install it, and basically we installed this one the right way. That's the booklet, and then you get a thank you from the company, and that's it, you guys. So let me go ahead, put this in the water. Okay, everyone, we are going to go over the bullets. Well, the nozzles, 7 nozzles that come with it. So the first one we're going to go over is the bullet single shot. Stick it in. That's the single shot. This one is one of my favorites. It shoots on the sides. We got this bullet right here. Got 6 holes on this little bullet. That's shooting up pretty high. It look about 12 inches. This is another one. This one have 7 holes on this one. That's the same thing. Look like it's shooting about 12 inches high. All right, you guys, so this is your attachment for your circles. Once again, I love these models because you can just twist and turn. So you see these little slots right here. They got 3 little clips right there. So you just have to match them, put them in, twist, and then that's it. You put the flat heads on. Got one with 7 holes on it. Push in, twist. And now we got our last nozzle. 13 holes on this nozzle. There we go. All right, you guys, stay tuned and we are going to see how long the lights last tonight. All right, so now it is 8 o'clock. I don't know what it is with these fountains, but it seems like 8 o'clock is the sweet spot for this stuff to come on. Now, as you can see with this fountain, it is pretty cool. I like how the lights actually go out. Now, if you ask me a question, can you control the lights? No, you cannot control the lights, all right? So this is the flash show you get. All right. Now I'm gonna come back out here in another hour or two just to see if the lights come back on so y'all know how long they last. We came out here the other night with the different fountain and it lasts until 11 o'clock. Let's see how long this one lasts. It's been out in the sun all day. And yeah. Okay, you guys, it is 9 o'clock and it's still going strong. 9 o'clock, you guys. I'll be back out in another hour or 30 minutes and let's see if it's still going. This thing survived the longevity test. It is past 12 a.m. Car just went by, that's why the light went on. I just tried to catch it while the light was still off, but it is 12 a.m. All right, you guys, so I'm done. This thing is worth it, all right? Especially if you are a late owl and you have like late night parties or you at the pool. This thing is amazing. All right, you guys, like, comment, and subscribe.